Hello. Hello. Hello everyone. Thank you for all your support so far with this channel. We really appreciate it. I've been away from the project for about 6 months now, so we are heading back from Cape Town to Pietermaritzburg to go and finish this project. We're going to finish the 45 Jag. I would say that would be the easiest project to finish, and we'll take it from there. Amazingly, okay, we are behind some trucks and doing very little, but we've pushed it up to 1,200 kilometers distance. And finally, we've made it. There's a Specs, home sweet home. Finally, we're back. We're gonna get this thing going. So we've been away for 6 months, and we're gonna see if it starts. 6 months later, wish me luck. So we've got some unleaded here. We're supposed to be using lead replacement called LRP. Don't know if it's different elsewhere in the world. But we've got here the green stuff, not the red stuff. For some reason the pattern is not working. So the alternative let's show you like this rather. Ignition is on, and then here, so the other one is we have a little button underneath this thing. And it starts after 6 months. It starts. So the start here, we have to sort that out. What the hell? Where does this come from? the starter here we'll have to fix, and all the gauges. What the hell is that? The cigarette lighter. I hope so, because there's ashtrays. So next, I think I need to sort this choke out. I would love to wash this engine. So it looks like it's just a wire that needs to go onto a positive feed. I also not sure if this generator is working properly. That belt, look at it's not even tight. Look at this, people. So that we need to sort out. Sorry for the noise, that fan was making a racket. It's off now. So battling with this generator and the fan belt. Clearly this fan belt is too, this one here. Luckily we've got this engine and it still has a belt on, so we're gonna take this belt off and then we can test that one.
Samurai sword on my back.
They've told me I must loop it and then run a wire to the battery and run a wire to the battery, so that's what we're gonna do. Very simple electronics now, just by the way, but I don't have the tools. So I'm using a clamp to bridge the two. So it's touching both sides, and then just a wire from there to the battery should work. Battery. So it turns. Hooray, we've got power. It's working. Connecting the battery terminal. So I took these horns off. They're not really original. I can put them back if you want, if you really ask nice. I've got wasps. Leave me alone. Yeah! Yes, let's get back to business. Yeah. Stop.
stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Generated the old fan belt, the long fan belt. So it's probably this part here that needs a bit of cleaning. I think it's called the regulator. So, yeah, it's not really spinning. So it seems like this little box here is not working. So I'll take it off. I did run a bit of cleaning in there, but I think there's a bit of corrosion in there, and obviously bottom side too. So we need to figure out how we can take this apart and service it. Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for that to push it all the way down, and then we're gonna put some petrol in the fuel tank. And now the pipe is connected to the fuel tank. I don't know if you saw, if I made a video on that, cleaning the fuel tank, but we have. Okay, so I've taken those 2 screws off, see there, and then I can take this piece out. So you can see how corroded it is there. So I'm just going to clean that piece off, and also that piece. And I'm going to do the same on this side, and then hopefully we should charge. Okay, so all clean. You can see there's no more corrosion there. I'm going to put the cap back on. Back on, and we're going to start it and see. Test it again. 12.2. So that's a good sign. And she's working from the petrol tank. That is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my show. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Good night.